money raised here in mid-Michigan is going a long way, both literally and figuratively. Students at Fowlerville Junior High started raising money after watching Hurricane Irma destroy Fisherman's Community Hospital in Florida last year. Well, today they got to see what their contributions did and how their kindness affected people half a country away. Fox's 47's Megan Heiler has the story.
The more that it came together, it felt really good because my idea really worked.
Raylan Hahn got the idea after seeing pictures of Hurricane Irma's devastation in Marathon, Florida. She and her classmates started a coin drive.
It's not necessarily for me, it's for other people that will feel good about themselves and feel that there always is someone out there.
Students and teachers involved say that this isn't the first time that the school has worked to make a difference.
It's big and small and beautiful. Our kids this year did over 4,500 hours of service within the community this year.
I think it's amazing, but we have amazing kids. You should see some of the things these middle school kids do. They're top notch. So
Tuesday, students Skyped hospital workers to see how their money helped. On the other side of the call, workers were thankful.
This hospital is going to be about 40,000 square feet, and the money you guys raised will definitely go to be building this. So thank you again.
No matter how big or small the contribution, teachers at Fowlerville were proud of the kids involved and think that the good deeds won't stop here.
This experience today is going to be like the beginning of, it's really going to motivate our kids to donate more, you know?
I agree.
Seeing that our money is actually going there.
Well, good for them. The Fowlerville students raised $250 for the hospital. The total cost is estimated at $40 million. Now, the hospital should be rebuilt within the next 2 or 3 years.